You don't need followers. You don't need subscribers. You don't need fame. What you need is engagement. Welcome to My Favorite Things. I'm Jordan, and today we're going to talk about how to grow your TikTok channel with true engagement so that you can get approved for the first phase of approval in the Amazon Influencer Program. That's right, it's not about followers. I've heard of some people getting approved with just 7 followers. What? Like, that blows my mind. I had just under 700 followers when I got approved, but it wasn't about the followers. It was about the engagement, the amount of comments that people were commenting on my TikTok videos, and how much I was engaging with others as well. What Amazon wants to see is that you are able to influence people into action. A comment, a repost, a favorite, those are actions. Just tapping that little heart button basically means nothing. The heart button, it's nothing. In fact, apparently the magic button is repost. I don't know why, but Amazon and TikTok both are like, yes, we love that repost button. So let's talk about what we're not gonna do. We're not gonna get on TikTok and be like, oh my God, please follow me, someone help me. Do you wanna be that person's friend?
I just don't think I can take another second of you whining.
It's like cringy to like the highest degree, but also it doesn't tell me anything about why I should follow them or anything about that person or anything interesting at all. It's just whining. What we're gonna do is we're gonna create a TikTok based on something, okay? And it's not gonna be your kids. It's not gonna be your dogs. It's not gonna be on just filming your backyard, because you probably don't live somewhere awesome that your backyard is like ridiculously amazing. Maybe you're a landscaper and your backyard really is that awesome, but if you don't know how to film it in the correct way, nobody cares. I know, it's awful. I don't like hearing that either, but people don't care unless you make them care. And if they don't care, they're not gonna comment, they're not gonna like it, they're not gonna favorite, they're not gonna wanna come back for more. So what did I do? I really love all things movie and TV show trivia. Like, I love all the ins and outs and all the intricacies. So what I would do is create trivia questions. Oh yeah, I would pick a movie or a TV show that I absolutely loved where I already knew the answer. And what I would do is I would just go to Google, find a Google image of The 100 season 1, and I would find like the promo image of that, copy and paste it. And then, this is very important, what you need to do is you actually have to like crop the image just a little bit so that it doesn't look like you stole the image. You know, manipulated it a little bit. I know that sounds kind of weird, but that's just an important thing to do so that TikTok isn't thinking that you are using copyrighted information, so that everything stays all good. So I would just barely just like crop it a little bit differently, and I would use that as a green screen. We would have me talking using something random as a pretend microphone, because people love that ish. It's just like a cute little fun thing. Nobody ever said anything about it, but I think it's one of those things that kind of catches them off guard. So it's not just a normal welcome to CNN. I don't know why anyone's watching CNN. I mean, honestly, I get all my news from TikTok. So what I would do is I would have 5 questions. I would already have them prepared on my laptop off to the side. And you create just a little bit of suspense. So you're like, welcome back to movie trivia. Is that what my channel's called? No, I'm just letting them know this is the game. This is what we're doing. 5 questions, all based on The 100 season 1. Let's see if you can get number 5. It doesn't matter what number 5 is, okay? The fact is, you mentioned it so that they'll stay for number 5. Ask them to engage. Comment down below how many you got correct. And hey, follow for more if you love The 100. That's it. You don't have to make every single movie trivia or TV trivia about the same movie or the same TV show. I mixed it up a lot. I picked a bunch of things that I really enjoyed, and then I even started asking people for requests, because I had a commenter say, hey, can you do The Walking Dead? And I was like, I don't know enough about The Walking Dead, but I will do some research. So I actually ended up doing a rewatch of The Walking Dead, which got me engaged and excited about what I was doing. Now, I will tell you, I did this pretty slow. I did this over about like a month, and that's how I got approved. But you can do this much faster, okay? So you don't have to do movie and TV show trivia if that's not your game. You can do a top 5 whatever. Top 5 billionaires. Who are the top 5 athletes? Who are the top 5 music artists of right now, today? Can you guess number 1? You know, like just different things like that. You can do some faceless things, but I highly recommend face to face because it helps people connect with you as a person because they're making eye contact with you. They feel like you are talking to only them. And you need to look into the camera, not at your own self. So see, right now I'm looking at my own eyes in the viewfinder. And now I'm looking into your eyes by looking into the green light on my phone. Now I highly recommend that any subject that you choose, if it's a movie, TV show, if it's a top 5, whatever, go ahead into TikTok after you post your video and search that same thing and start commenting on other people's videos that are talking about your same thing. Because that way TikTok knows the cross awesomeness of it all. They're seeing you engage with others and others start to engage with you. Now what's really fun is you can actually do a comment video reply. So you're watching your own video, you tap on a comment where somebody says, hey, can you do The Walking Dead? And I use that comment to then make my next video. That way that person is tagged in it, so they're like, ooh, alerted to a new fun thing. And they feel involved in the process. People love to feel special, don't you? I mean, I know when a TikToker I follow and she talks about Amazon influencer all the time, when she used one of my comments on her videos as a video reply, I was like, oh my God, she noticed me. Is it so dumb? Yes, but it's a real feeling that I had. And that is true engagement. They notice you, you notice them, and it's a fun, happy thing. I want you to do this. 3 videos a day for 7 days. And every single day, apply for Amazon Influencer. Apply every single day until you get in. Keep posting videos. Comment on other people's videos. Reply to comments on your videos. If you're not getting comments, change it up. Don't whine about it. Don't complain. Don't beg for things. And hey, don't do follow backs. It does not work. TikTok actually hates follow for follow, and Amazon doesn't respect it either. Biggest red flag, do not, under any circumstances, comment teamwork. It is basically a red flag to TikTok and Amazon that you suck and you don't know what you're doing. I know, it's terrible. We're all just trying to help each other here, but don't do it. Find your thing that you love. Did you notice I didn't say the word niche until just now? Because I hate it when people are like, you have to pick a niche. I didn't pick a niche on my TikTok. I just did things that I enjoyed and people started engaging with me. And then when I got approved the Amazon Influencer Program, I started talking about it on my TikTok. As soon as you get approved with that first phase and you want to start getting approved for on-site commissions, keep posting on your TikTok. Keep posting, keep engaging so that TikTok sees that you are serious about this and they will approve you faster with that second phase. And if you're wondering how to get into that second phase for on-site commissions with 3 review videos, then you're gonna need to watch this video right here. And hey, hit that subscribe button. I need you to hit that like button. And if you haven't commented a drink emoji down below, coffee, water, whatever you got going on today, what are you doing? You're not engaging. Come on, let's engage. Let's go. I'll catch you on the flippity flip.